The conversation ended hours ago. You're still editing it. It was a normal conversation, nothing serious. You said goodbye, they walked away, and something in your brain pressed rewind. Did that land weird? You replay the pause, the 2-second gap where you went blank. You're home now, shoes off, and the conversation is still running, just without them. You're playing both parts, and the version of them in your head, it's judging everything. Level 2. You scroll, you eat, you put a show on. Somewhere in episode 2, it hits again. That one sentence, the one that came out slightly wrong. Now you're wondering what they think of you. Your brain is not resting. Your brain is building a courtroom. You are the witness, the lawyer, and the defendant. The jury is a feeling in your chest that won't leave. Nothing bad happened, you tell yourself. Your brain doesn't care, it just keeps checking. Level 3. You wake up, and it's still there, waiting. Here's what nobody tells you. This wasn't random. This was trained. Someone early in your life was unpredictable, and you learned fast. It was your job to read the room, to feel the shift before it happened, to prevent it. That skill kept you safe once. Now it runs on every conversation, even the harmless ones. The conversation was fine. Your brain doesn't know that yet. Level 4. You start editing yourself before you even speak. Pre-screening sentences, choosing safer words. You get quieter, not because you have nothing to say, because the replay has become too expensive. You watch other people talk, loose, fast, unfiltered. They say the wrong thing and shrug in real time. You wonder what that feels like. You genuinely cannot imagine it. Final level. It's 1 a.m. You're replaying last Tuesday. Not a fight, just a conversation. Just Tuesday. And here's what you won't find, because it isn't there. Nothing went wrong. The other person went home, made dinner, fell asleep. They don't have the tape, only you do, because you were taught, long before you could name it, that other people's comfort was your responsibility, that silence meant something, that the pause meant something, that everything meant something, and you had to decode it. So your brain never learned to close the file. It keeps it open, scanning, searching for a mistake that explains the feeling. But the feeling isn't evidence. It's just an old habit wearing your voice. The conversation ended hours ago. You're still in it. And somewhere, a version of you said the exact same words, walked away, and never thought about it again. That version wasn't smarter. They just weren't taught that love depended on getting it right. The tape is still running. You already know how this night ends.